Okay, so here we are in a test that has student responses. So you'll see here's an actual little quiz I gave to my religion class about the teaching church, and you can see how many people have responded. So I'm going to click on the responses first. I'm going to double check that I myself took the quiz because I'm going to use my own responses for the answer key. Now again, remember, we're just going to walk through clicking here to create the sheet. Sheets created, here we are. I'm going to enable the add-on. Okay. And so since I've already added it here, you see it's just in my list. So Flubaroo, and for this I'm going to grade the assignment for you. Okay, so I'm going to pretend as if I had not graded it previously. And here are the steps. So the first step asks you how many points you want each question to be, and if each question should have normal grading, or if it should maybe skip grading or grade by hand. Okay, so you have those options under each choice. These two first options, email address and what is your name, those identify the student, so they're not getting any points for that. You could give them if they want to, but that's just identifying. You can choose up to 10 points for each quiz question, normal grading. For this, I'm just going to say 1 point, and we're going to go through everything with normal grading. Okay. Go down and continue. Now it's going to ask me to select which submission should be used as the answer key. Typically, this is a submission made by you, so I'm going to scroll down to Mrs. Hamlin's submission right here, and I'm going to click Continue. Okay. Take a few minutes here. Okay, now the grades have been submitted for each of my students, so I can see how they did. Close here. All right. So I can see which students maybe did poorly, which students really did a great job, and I can also scroll over here and identify questions that all students maybe did poorly at. You can see only 30% got the correct answer. So for here, I might want to look back at my question and see if perhaps I didn't word it correctly, and if I want to change their score. So if I want to say, you know what, this was too hard for everyone, I can manually just go in and give everyone the 1 point, even the people that didn't score it correctly, to change their grade. So easy, so quickly. You can see now most people did very well. All right, so still some people who needed to study, you know who you are. But the people that got a 90 now, I looked and saw, well, maybe throw out that question. Okay. Next, I'll show you how to send these grades to the students with fun stickers.